Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Diwali is here and you all must be thinking how to create an impressive look this Diwali. So here I am with my new video. All the beginners, this video is gonna be very beneficial to you. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, just keep on watching.
At first I'll be using a Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer which will help to moisturize the skin and will apply it all over my face and neck. Then I'll be using a Lakme Blur Effect Primer. A primer acts as a wall between the face and the makeup and doesn't allow the foundation to settle in our face, giving it a flawless and a long-lasting effect. Next I'll be using a Lakme Absolute Gel Serum. It's a festive look and so I decided to go for a little glow on my face. Then I'll be using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 and with the help of a pack foundation brush, I'll blend it. It's brow time and I'll be using a Maybelline Brow Duo Shaper which is a pencil on one side and a powder on the other. I'll be using the pencil to draw a line same as my eyebrow line which will help it giving a fuller effect, and with the help of the powder on the other side I'll fill in the gaps in between them. Next I'll be taking a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful eye palette guys. If you're planning to buy one, go for it. Now I'll take this brown shade from the same palette and with the help of a fluffy brush will apply it all over my crease line and blend it really well. It will act as a transition shade for this look. Make sure you only put this on the crease line. I'll do the same on the other side as well. Then I'll take this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and take this really beautiful brown shade for my eye. This is a shimmery color, so I decided to use my fingers to apply it all over my lid because using your fingers on the shimmery colors give you the desired payoff. Then I'll take a black eyeshadow and use it in the outer V of my eye to give it a little smoky effect. You can use any black eyeshadow you have. Take a brown color for my waterline and blend it with a fluffy brush. I'm taking the silver eyeshadow and put it on the inner corners of my eyes. I'll also put it under my eyebrows. I'm taking a Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Kajal and put it on the waterline. I'll be using a Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. Guys, I'm doing this tutorial for beginners, so I won't be using a false eyelash today, but this mascara lifts up the eyelash pretty well and you won't require falsies after applying this. I'll use it for my lower lash line as well. Now using a Maybelline Fit Me Age Define Concealer, I'll conceal some areas of my face. Using a Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'll set everything on my face. Now I'll be using a Wet n Wild contouring powder, and with the help of a contouring brush, I'll apply it on the hollow of my cheeks, under my jawline, on the sides of my nose and on the forehead to give my face a good dimension. Now I'll highlight my face using a Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'll apply this on the high points of my face. I love this palette very much. It gives a wonderful shine and a glossy effect on your face. And now is my favorite step. I'll be using a Faces Canada blush in the shade Cocktail Peach, and with the help of a blush brush, I'll apply it on my cheeks. And yeah, the most important thing, don't forget to smile. I'm using Matte Me lipstick from ADS Pro. I'll link the shade number in the description box. Guys, I have used all the drugstore products which you can easily get online on an affordable price. I'll complete the look wearing this earring. And also a silver bindi. And call it done. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do try this look and tag me if you do. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links to which are given below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and yeah, wish you all a very happy, prosperous and safe Diwali. Till then, bye.